everyone, welcome to Maths class 5th standard part 1. Let's continue with the lesson length. Let us see problems involving measurement of length. Example 1. The length of shirt cloth sold by a merchant to a person is 5 meter 40 centimeter of red color and 3 meter 40 centimeter of white color. What is the total length of the cloth sold? So total andre ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Length of the red cloth is equal to 5 meter 40 centimeter. Length of white cloth is equal to 3 meter 40 centimeter. Total length of cloth sold is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8. So total 8 meter 80 centimeter. Second question, the Gram Panchayat started to construct a main road from their office to school which is 3 kilometer 300 meters away. It could construct only 2 kilometer 150 meter of the road. What length of the road is left unconstructed? Total length of the road to be constructed is equal to 3 kilometer 300 meters. Length of the constructed road is equal to 2 kilometer 150 meter. Length of the road left unconstructed is equal to, subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 ಇಂದ 5 subtract ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, so 1, borrow, 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 kilometer 150 meter. Third one, the length of wire required to make a flower vase is 2 meter 30 centimeter. What is the total length of wire required to make 9 such vases? Express the length in meters. Length of wire required to make one vase is equal to 2 meter 30 centimeter. Therefore, total length of wire required to make 9 such vases is equal to 2 meter 30 centimeter into 9. So multiply 9 zeros are 0, 9 threes are 27, 9 twos are 18, 18 meter 270 centimeter. Here we should convert 270 centimeter into meters. Length of wire required is equal to 18 meter 270 centimeter. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 18 meter plus 200 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. 18 meter plus 200 centimeters andre 2 meters plus 70 centimeter. So 20 meter plus 70 centimeter is equal to 20.7 meters. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Example 4. 5 laborers together purchased 9 meter of cloth to stitch a uniform. They divided the cloth among themselves. What is the length of cloth received by each laborer? Total length of cloth purchased by the laborers is equal to 9 meters. Therefore, length of cloth each laborer gets is equal to 9 meter divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5.0, 5 8s are 40. Here convert 1.8 meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.8 meter is equal to 180 centimeter. Length of cloth each laborer gets is equal to 180 centimeter andre 1.8 meter or 1 meter 80 centimeter. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 8.2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಓರಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೈರ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಮೀಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸಚ್ ವೈರ್ಸ್? ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓರಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ವೈರ್ ಇದೆ, 5 ಸಚ್ ವೈರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 3 5s are 15 meters. Second one, out of a roll of cloth measuring 50 meter, 17 meter of cloth is sold. Find the length of remaining cloth. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 50 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸೊ 50 ಮೈನಸ್ 17, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 33 meter cloth is remaining. Third question, 24 meter of colored ribbon is distributed among 8 students equally. What is the length of ribbon that each one gets? 24 meter color ribbon na 8 students ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 24 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So each one gets 3 meters of ribbon. Okay. Fourth question, how many centimeters are there in 9 meters? 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 9 meters ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್? 9 into 100, that is 900 centimeters. Fifth question, the length of a wooden plank is 19 meter. Out of this, 5 pieces of 3 meter each is cut off. Find the length of the remaining piece. So, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗ 19 meter cloth ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 meter cloth ತರ 5 pieces ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 5 3s are 15 meters ಆಯ್ತು. Find the length of the remaining piece. 19 minus 15 is equal to 4 meters. So the length of the remaining piece is 4 meter. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್. ಆಡ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂತ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. 22 meter 71 centimeter and 14 meter 30 centimeter. So 22 meter 71 centimeter 14 meter 30 centimeter. So meter na meter ಗೆ, centimeter na centimeter ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 3 is 10 centimeters. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 36 meter. So we know that 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So it will become 37 meter 1 centimeter. Okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Second one, 4 kilometer 230 meter and 22 kilometer 280 meters. So 4 kilometer 230 meter and 22 kilometer 280 meter. So let's add this. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 3 is 11, so 1 carry, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 meter, then 4 plus 2 is 6, 2, 26 kilometer 510 meters. Let's go to the third main. Subtract the following. Let us do these two sums. Okay, let's see the first question. 68 meter 35 centimeter from 75 meter 48 centimeter. So from ಅಂತ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 75 meter 48 centimeter, 68 meter 35 centimeter. So 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 13 centimeter. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇಂದ 8 ನ subtract ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So 1 borrow 15 ಆಯ್ತು. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 6 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 7 meter 13 centimeter. Second one, 12 kilometer 425 meter from 17 kilometer 650 meter. So 17 kilometer 650 meter, 12 kilometer 425 meter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ subtract ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So 1 borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 4 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2 meters. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 5 kilometer 225 meter. Fourth main solve the following ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.